What's up, folks? It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. here. I want to come to you live about this particular post right here. Most medical collections can be deleted from your credit history because it's a violation of HIPAA laws. Who wants this? As you can see, 170 likes, 252 comments. So I want you guys to make sure that you're taking advantage of this information, okay? It's a membership, okay? It's a membership. It's either $99 one time, no monthly fee, or $49 one time, $34 a month. Okay, with that, you get a raise, you get to work on your credit, you get to save literally thousands on your taxes all year, and you get a host of other things along with your membership. So let me get logged in real quick. Let me show you specifically what you're gonna need to get those medical issues off your credit report. Okay, so smart credit system is what we're utilizing. Okay, I'm gonna get logged into it. All right, and so again, you guys got to take action. It's one thing to request information, but information is not going to get these things removed for you. Okay, you have to take action on the information. And as you can see, there are 10 modules here full of PDF files that show you and teach you everything you need to know to repair your credit and address the other 65% of your credit, not just credit removal. So as you can see, these are the downloads, these are the PDFs, these are the files, and I'm going to click on this right here, how to move medical collections. So let's download it. Okay. Well, let me just click on it and go to it. So here's the form. How to remove medical collections. HIPAA is the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. This privacy rule mandates that your personal medical information may not be shared unless there's a permissible reason doing so. So again, we have the blueprint for you. You guys got to take action. If you want it for $99, just go to 750 credit solutions.info. 750 credit solutions.info. It's going to take you straight. You might get this little error message, but hold tight and it'll pop up for you. Okay. That one is $99 one time. Scroll to the very bottom, sign up, $99 one time payment. Now, if you want the $49, $34.95 a month, just simply go to shiftmycash.info. Okay. Click on that. It's going to take you straight to the enrollment page. Straight to the enrollment page. Okay, that's where it's going to take you, and as you can see, there it is. Go ahead and fill this out, and I'll be giving you a call. Shoot me a quick text message to 901-300-0573 that you're in, so I can add you to the group. Once again, 901-300-0573. James R. Davis Sr. signing out.